Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you another early join airdrop called Primus Labs. This project looks very promising, and as you can see, it already has around 6.5 million in funding with so many investors backing it. One of the top names involved is Panic. The best part is it's a confirmed airdrop, so it's a really exciting. So in this video I'll share with step-by-step method how you can join this airdrop. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is download the browser extension. I'll provide the link in the description so you can check it out. Once you click on the extension, it will redirect you to the home page. Just click next and it will ask your referral code. You can use my referral code. I will provide in the description so you can earn some extra points. Now let's move on the next step. We need to connect the wallet. Here just click here, select MetaMask, confirm, and you are done. Next, click on the data source section. Here you will see several options to connect your data. This step is very important and I recommend only connecting basic options like X and your TikTok account. I strongly recommend avoid connecting your exchange accounts like Binance or Bybit for security reasons. Here you can see I connected my X account through the human verification. Simply click on create, you verify, and once it's successful you will see a confirmation here. Now click on the achievements section. You will see several tasks that you need to complete to earn more points. The first one allows you to claim 5 XP points every day. Here you can see that I followed the official Primus Labs X account and complete the task. Next, I joined their Discord server. And it's done. So there are plenty of other tasks available and you can complete them one by one to maximize your points. Now head over the event section. Here we can see it's lots of events out there. Each event takes some time to complete, but you should finish them all to maximize your rewards. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.